So hello guys, welcome to my channel Programming Earth. So guys, we will be learning coding today in an easy and simple manner. The name of the coding language is block-based coding language. We will be learning how to use button in a block-based coding language. The software name is MIT App Inventor, in which we will be learning how to use buttons. So let's get started. We need to go to the Chrome app and make sure you have been signed in. Will that MIT App Inventor I have already written and my account is already saved in MIT App Inventor. Click on Create Apps. I'll share the link of MIT App Inventor in down right description. Click on Start New Project. I'll write the name How to Use Button. So it's been loading. So you can see button over here. It is written in user interface. So we will drag on it, and it is like this button. It is used to it works with another component. Means whenever we click it through a test run, it runs the another component which we have connected in block coding. So I'll take another component, means I'll take image. I'll just make it full parent. Now the button is over down right. So we'll go to blocks. It is written in the right corner, top right corner. So we'll click on button 1. You can see there are many blocks. I'll explain you it. Button 1. So you can rename this button 1 if you're using many buttons. So for your convenience, you can rename it. I'll show you how to rename it. Here, you click on button 1 and rename. I'll write BTN button. So when button click, BTN click, do means when this button is clicked through the test run, it does something, and the component, another component which it runs, will be shown over here for further procedures. Then got focus. When button 1 button is clicked, means many times, not click, it is kept in focus, then it does something like an the like an does in when button click do. So long click, same. The lost focus means when the it lost it focus, it does something. Then touch down, touch up in its positions. Now comes background color. The button 1 background color is changed. We can change it through designer, like here. Just a second. Yes. Like here we can change it background color here. So I'll keep it in cyan. It is cyan color now. We can change the background color through blocks too whenever we need it. Then enable means sometime when someone means fill something, so we will keep this button not to enable, like false. Set button dot enable to false. Type of that. Then font bold. The text inside the button, we can keep it font bold from blocks and same from designer. Then font italic, same from designer and blocks. And font size, if we want to change the font size in button, we can change it through here, same through designer. I'll show you how we can do it in designer. So height, button height, then height percentage, we can do it in percentage or in pixels. Button dot height 2 is in pixels, height percent is in percentage only. Then button dot image, we can add an image in a button. Then it is to set, means no available assets, we will add assets, then only it will allow us to add images in a button. So show feedback, to show their feedback. Then text, the button dot text, the inside text of the button will be shown as we want. Then text color, we can change it through blocks and a designer too, both of them. Then visible, visible is a component, is a block that visibles or non-visibles component. So we can non-visible or visible the button by blocks and designer both. And with, as we saw height block of button, we can see here button dot width over here. Then with percentage, there was height in pixels, then height in percentages. Here also same, with in pixels, then button in percentage. So here no available assets, means no images are there still, and this is a normal block of button. Now I'll explain you the designer part of it. This is the background color which I taught you in blocks, and we can change it in blocks too. I have changed it in cyan. Now font bold, we can keep the font bold. Like here I'll drag the button over front like this. Yeah, yes. So if we click on font bold, you can see what is the difference in the text. So now I click on font italic. Italic is simply a tilt. Font size, I have kept it into 20. Enter. So the font size is changed, and the button width and height is also changed according to the text size, font size. Font type face, means we can change it to monospace, serif, or sans serif. We can also upload our own uh, font typeface, which we can make, or we can download the PDF. I'm going to add monospace. Okay, it is changed to monospace as you can see. Then height. There are four options. First, automatic, means how much the text is given, it will go like that. But if I put it in fill parent like this, it would be fill parent. If I put it in pixels, like in blocks, I showed you uh, the height and width. We can change it through pixels and percentage. We'll change it to through pixels first. I'll change it to 90 pixels. Like this, it is changed. Now percentage, 20 percentage. Now it is changed to 20 percentage. Now I'll keep it again automatic. As you can see, it is the width of automatic. Uh, the text, the font text, it depends on that. Then we come on width. This was the height. Now we come on width. It is fully same. Fill parent, then pixels percentage. We can add any number that extends in percentage and pixels. Image. So we can upload a file from a folder to MIT App Inventor, and we can add this in button 1. Now comes shape. Shape we can keep as rounded, rectangular, and oval. I'll show you all the shapes. Default means rectangle. This is rounded. You can see the curveness over here. This curveness. Then I keep on rectangular. It is whole rectangle. Then oval. It is all oval. Now comes show feedback or no. So we can choose it on our ways. If we want, then we can add, or we don't want, then we can delete. Then text. I'll say Hello. Now I'll say visible. We are going to do. We're going to make an app on this too. So I'm writing visible. So button visible. It is written text alignment. So the alignment of the text, it should be centered left or right. So I'll let center only. Text color default it is written. I'll keep it to black. As you can see, it is black now. Visible or not, it if I don't click this, it would be already ticked. If you not click this, then it would be non-visible, and when you want, you can visible it. And this is enabled. As I said you in block, that when someone did this, we will not enable our button. But someone did something like filled a text box, we can keep enabled to true. So now we'll make something, we'll make a app with button. So I'll we can keep screen one, align horizontal to center as visible. I want it to be centered. Now this image, I have to put some images in it. So I'll go on Google and type image for background. So I'll take some good image. I'll take this image. I'll save it. Save image as. It has been loading. Yes, it is. So we'll write background for how to use button in MIT AI 2. So means MIT AI 2 means MIT App Inventor 2. So I'm using MIT App Inventor 2. Let's upload file. Choose file. It has been loaded. So we write background for map making. We'll take it. Yep, we'll use this. It is not coming. Yes, background image has been should be in downloads. Yes, it is in downloads. We'll open it and choose it. Click on OK. Then after the no file chosen, it is written. So it will come the name of the file we are choosing. It came. So click on OK. It will take some time for uploading this file to MIT App Inventor server. It is coming over here uploading background or to. It is a large file, so it is taking some time. Yes, it came. So we'll click on image and we'll try to picture. I'll take another YouTube episode for using how to use images in a MIT App Inventor. I have set this background in image one, so I'll keep image one not non-visible. I click on blocks. I click on button. So and I'll click on image and right as we saw in button that it is also given a block for visible or not visible. So we'll take that same block from image like here. Set image 1 not visible 2. So it would set image 1 dot visible 2 is same as how btn button used it to visible or not visible. So we will click on logic. So we will click on true as we have made image visible to false at designer. So at blocks it will be visible to true. So here is the thing. Let's click on connect AI companion. I'll start my phone for showing the results. So guys, so for running our app, first we need to install an app, which name is MIT App Inventor 2 Companion. So after installing it, you'll get a screen like this. So if you want to, uh, if you want to connect your companion with the software through code or QR code, as after clicking connect button and choosing AI companion, we can see a QR code and a code written. Your code is this. So if you want to connect your software, so you can choose connect with code or scan QR code. So I want to choose it through scanning QR code. So I'll scan my QR code and it is scanned. After scanning, the code will be written over here and your MIT App Inventor process will be on for loading the updates. So the screen is came in companion which we designed. So as in the designer, we non-visible the image and in block coding we say that when button click do image 1 to visible to true as if visible it to false. So whenever I click a visible button, it will be the image will be visible like this. So this means that our app is perfectly running and all the components are placed in a perfect manner. So thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.